Quick little video today in Chris Stapley Customs. We've got a couple of Norton 850 Commandos that I'm kind of prepping up for paint here. That's a reproduction tank, trying to get rid of the seam out of the center of it. The tank itself is pretty nice. I've got my daughter's Mercedes still taking up a big portion of my shop here. Don't get very much time to work on it. It's an old 300D. We had drivetrain troubles. So we're going to the bother of putting a 200 Ford inline 6 with a C4 automatic in it. Installation is almost completed. Everything is purchased now. Here's some side panels for one of the bikes. We got a cafe style trunk for one bike. Side panels for the other bike. Wasn't so hot and humid, I'd have these things ready for paint now, but what should take a few hours for primers and stuff to set up, it's taking 2 days because of the high humidity. It is what it is. More junk in the road here. We got an old 229 Chev 6-cylinder in there. That's for one of my girls for their rat rod truck project. Got a 1969 Mustang 302 sitting here for my 39 Ford truck project. Got a Edelbrock Torquer intake. We've got one of these Speedway 2 barrel carburetor adapters. They're pretty slick. Beautiful set of valve covers I got from Larry Shackleton. They're just ideal for the job. Gonna run these stock Fox bodied Mustang headers, T5 5-speed in it. Just a little quick look around the tiny little shop that I have to work out of here. Don't dare open the garage doors today. I've got the air conditioner on and it's beautiful in here today. Right, Luna?